Docker is a game changer for development, but are you using it efficiently? We're diving into essential tips today to streamline your workflow, optimize your images, and make containerization a breeze. Get ready to elevate your Docker game and build better, faster applications with these practical insights. These simple adjustments can make a huge difference in your daily development. First up, embrace multi-stage builds. This powerful Dockerfile feature significantly reduces your final image size by separating build time dependencies from runtime dependencies. It keeps your containers lean, secure, and quicker to pull and deploy. Stop shipping unnecessary tools, only include what your application truly needs to run, leading to more efficient deployments. Don't forget .dockerignore. Just like .gitignore, this file prevents unnecessary files and directories from being copied into your Docker build context. Ignoring things like node_modules, if you're building inside the container, or .git can dramatically speed up your build process and keep your image size minimal. It's a small file with a big impact on build performance. For persistent data, leverage named volumes. Instead of bind mounts for production, named volumes are managed by Docker, making them easier to back up, migrate, and share between containers. They provide a robust and platform-independent way to store your application's vital data securely, ensuring data integrity across deployments and simplifying data management considerably. Implement Docker health checks in your Docker files. A health check instruction ensures that your container is not just running, but actually healthy and ready to serve requests. This is crucial for orchestrators like Kubernetes, allowing them to intelligently restart or replace unhealthy containers, improving application reliability and uptime significantly. Don't just check if it's running, check if it's alive. Optimize your Dockerfile instructions to leverage layer caching effectively. Place frequently changing instructions, like copy, later in your Dockerfile. Instructions that change less often, like run apt-get update, should come first. This ensures subsequent builds are much faster, as Docker only rebuilds layers that have changed, saving you valuable time during development. There you have it, 6 essential Docker tips to sharpen your containerization skills. Implementing these practices will lead to smaller images, faster builds, and more robust applications. Which tip was your favorite, or do you have one to add? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and development tutorials.